Welcome to OpenFrame Tutorials. This video will teach you how to create and edit virtual tours. To get started, select the plus sign button on the home page and Virtual Tours. Make sure that your camera is charged as seen with this white light and that it is set up on the tripod as so without touching any volume buttons and to its full extent. A new feature if you have the latest update is the HDR mode that you can activate by clicking on HDR. The HDR feature will increase the quality of your picture, especially when you have a strong light source, but you need the use of your tripod. Then it is important to set up the timer, so this represents the amount of time you believe you need to exit the room so that the 360 camera can take a picture without anyone in it. Once you hear a camera shutter sound, this means that the picture has been taken. Then you can either retake the picture if you are not happy with the result, or start editing your virtual tour by choosing your label. You can either choose an existing label or create your own by clicking on Other. Then click on Next, and then tap and hold on where you're going to next by using your thumb to scroll around the picture. Then firmly press with your thumb on the next room you wish to enter, select New Room, Let's Go, and then bring your tripod to the next room. Make sure that the timer is set so that you have enough time to exit the room. Take your picture and start editing if you're happy with the result. Click on Next, and then tap and hold on where you return to the previous room you were in. So in this case, the living room. Select Save, then tap and hold on where you are going next. Again, select New Room and bring your tripod to the next room. Then the same logic applies. You have to tap and hold on where you return to the TV room. Select Save and then tap and hold on where you're going next. Now I'm going to show you an example when you go in and out of a room by using the same door, like a bedroom or this laundry room for example. When you're done labeling the room, select Next and tap and hold on the door that you used to enter your room. Then click on Save, and to tap and hold on where you are going to next, simply click on the same arrow that you have just created. Then tap and hold on where you are going to next to continue your virtual tour. If you are done taking pictures of every single room of your house, or simply want to do a smaller version, select Done. And you can always add a room by clicking Add Room. You can also individually edit any single picture that you already took by selecting the room you want to edit and then clicking on the pen icon to edit the room. Editing a room means that you can either add a connection. For example, here I'm adding a connection to the living room in order to continue my virtual tour upstairs. Editing a room also means you can change the label or delete your picture. To finish your virtual tour, click on Next and add all of the additional information. You can make the additional information as detailed as you want them to, since all of the options are optional, but they help make your virtual tour more specific. And select Done to view your virtual tour. So this is an example of what your virtual tour might look like. The connections are highlighted in pink, and you can access one room to each other by simply clicking on that connection or go back to visit the rest of the house. Even in the last steps of creating your virtual tour, you have the possibility to go back and edit this tour by clicking on the pen icon. You can also edit any additional information, delete your virtual tour, or if you're happy with the result, click on Share. Here, select the photos and videos that you want on your website. If you click on the first virtual tour picture, it automatically selects the individual room pictures that you took, but you can also choose to select them individually. Then add and change your own logo and your own photo for a personalized video tour. Click on Create, and you can share your virtual tour by email, text, Facebook, or put it up on your website. You can also choose to show or hide your agent information. Some MLS providers will reject your page if it contains information about the agent, so here you have the possibility to hide this. Again, you can go back and edit your tour by clicking on the pen icon or hit preview to see what your virtual tour looks like on your website. So this is how you create and edit a virtual tour. You can always go back to any virtual tour that you created, since they are automatically saved on the app, and edit, delete, view, and share any virtual tour. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, be sure to contact us or put a comment down below.